If you want to check the current price of the AULA F75 Pro wireless mechanical keyboard, click the link in the description. As an Amazon associate, I may earn from qualifying purchases. If you're tired of typing on a dull, mushy keyboard that slows you down or feels uncomfortable during long gaming or work sessions, this one is worth a look. The AULA F75 Pro is a compact 75% mechanical keyboard designed to save desk space while still keeping all the essential keys you need. It has a clean, modern design with RGB backlighting that really adds personality to your setup without being over the top. The side-printed PBT keycaps give it a unique, premium touch, and the built-in knob adds quick control for volume or settings, depending on how you use it. You also get flexible connectivity with 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.0, or a USB-C wired option, so it easily adapts whether you're gaming, working, or switching between devices. The hot swappable design is a big plus if you like customizing your feel over time, and the pre-lubed switches offer a smoother typing experience right out of the box. It's a solid choice for gamers, students, and professionals who want a compact keyboard that still feels powerful and responsive on a daily basis. Overall, it delivers a nice balance of style, performance, and flexibility for most setups. To check the latest price and availability, click the link in the description.